What's up, everybody? Just wanted to make a quick little video of what we got hanging out in the garage here now. As everybody can see, it's not a car anymore. We've got a 86 S15 in here. Very, very clean little truck. Picked this one up from a fella up by Ottawa who had restored it probably about 10, 12 years ago. And he did a frame off restoration on it, and it just got, his family got too big for the truck. So he ended up having to sell this, and he picked up something he could take his wife and kids and everybody out. So this ended up here. Obviously there's no wheels on it right now, but if you look at the thumbnail picture, it does have wheels on it, but I just sold those the other day, and we're going to pick up new wheels for it tomorrow and hope to have them on within the next week or so. It's pretty basic. Truck started out life as a 4-cylinder 5-speed deal, and now it's got a small block in it, turbo 350, 10-bolt posi. It's been lowering springs front and rear, and we'll see how the new tires fit, and we'll just keep it that way for this year. See what happens. But yeah, no, I couldn't couldn't find one of these things as clean as this if I tried. So radio works, heat works, all the lights work. It's got a B&M mega shifter in it, that's coming out. It's got some old school gauges in it down there. They're going to be coming out. Clean though, very, very clean. It's even got speaker boxes in behind the seats. Seats got a little bit wear, but nothing to worry about. Carpet was new. I think the seats come out of a Blazer, if I remember correctly. Yeah, I know the body's good. Doors are all super good. Very clean underneath. Little shorty headers on it, dual exhaust, Flowmaster muffler. I've been cleaning a bit in here. What he did at one time is he oil sprayed it, and it's been kind of hard to get off, but it's there. Something else he did is kind of cool is he put that protective film on it years ago, but as you can see, it's kind of gone a bit yellow. But it has protected the lower part of the box, both sides, and he's got it in the door jambs as well, lower part of the cab. Under the hood is just as clean. Sneak around the back here. Wasn't too crazy about these taillights at first, but I'm kind of getting used to them now. It's even got the old school plates on it I had from a truck I had many, many years ago. They're very clean. Don't have a lot of plans for it this year. We're gonna just drive it on the street, take it to the track once in a while, see what it'll do. It's got one of those billet grills in it too, which is kind of starting to grow on me, but if I find another factory grill for it, I'll put that in. That little blue bottle over there will probably end up inside. But yeah, very clean. The next video I'll go under the hood, more detail with the motor and stuff, and yeah, that's her for now. Stay tuned. Hope to put another video together in another week or so and start doing some changes to it and see how it goes.